Welcome to Product Critique. If you're looking for the best white dome map lights interior LED kit, you're in the right place. Today, we're taking a close look at the iFunyLED 24 pieces dome light LED car interior bulb kit. A universal LED upgrade that transforms your vehicle's interior lighting from dull to dazzling. Let's start with what you get in the box. This kit comes with 24 individual LED bulbs plus a handy pry tool to help you with installation. The LEDs are grouped into 3 types: 8 T10 194 bulbs, 8 DE3175 bulbs, and 8 festoon-style bulbs like 211-2, 212-2, or 578. That variety ensures this kit can fit a wide range of sockets and lighting placements inside most vehicles. Whether you're lighting up the map area, trunk, door panels, or license plate, this kit has got it all covered. Build quality here is excellent. iFunyLED uses high-quality LED chips paired with robust circuit boards. Each bulb comes with an integrated intelligent IC driver that ensures steady power delivery. That means you're not going to get that annoying flicker or delay when turning the lights on. The brand claims a lifespan of up to 50,000 hours, which, in most cases, means these lights will last longer than the car itself. When it comes to fitment, the compatibility is impressive. The T10 bulbs alone can replace models like 194, 168, 2825, and W5W, common across a lot of different vehicles. The 31mm bulbs work with the 3175, 3022, and others, while the 42mm fit into 211-2, 578, 569, and many more. Make sure to check your car's manual or existing bulb size to ensure a perfect fit before ordering, but overall, this kit is as close to universal as it gets for car interiors. One of the standout features is the 7500 Kelvin color temperature. That's a clean, cool white light that brings a modern aesthetic to any vehicle cabin. It not only looks great but also improves visibility for things like reading maps, finding gear in your trunk, or just creating a crisp, elegant atmosphere inside the car. Installation is a breeze. These are plug-and-play bulbs, meaning no wiring or soldering required. Just use the included pry tool to pop off your light covers, remove the old bulbs, and slot these in. In most cases, you'll be done in under 30 minutes, even if you've never done anything like this before. Versatility is another win here. Beyond dome and map lights, these bulbs can serve as license plate lights, trunk lights, courtesy lights, stepwell lights, and even door control lights. Basically, any standard 12 volts interior socket you have is a candidate for an upgrade. And last but not least, iFunyLED offers solid customer service support. While this isn't a high-ticket item, it's reassuring to know you can reach out to them with questions or issues and expect a professional response. To sum it up, the iFunyLED 24-piece interior LED kit is affordable, comprehensive, and incredibly easy to install. It delivers high-quality lighting with a professional, cool white glow that completely transforms the vibe of your vehicle interior. For anyone looking to refresh their car's lighting without breaking the bank or getting into complicated wiring, this kit is a no-brainer. If you're ready to light up your ride, check the link in the description and grab this kit. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you next time with more honest reviews and product breakdowns. Safe driving.